back from MCDS. Today we're going to do a simple science of sink or float. We teach the children in science a word called hypothesis, which is making a guess about something, how you think the experiment will work out. So our hypothesis today is, will this object sink or will the object float? And these are things you can find around your house. I have a plastic cup, a spoon, a toy, and a marble. Another thing to have is a tub of water, probably a plastic tablecloth of some kind, and a sponge so you can clean up any spills. So our first object is going to be a spoon. So we will ask the children, do you think this spoon will sink or float? Let's find out. Since it went to the bottom, we will say that spoon fell to the bottom, so did it sink or float? Sink. And you can record your findings also, and that helps with the writing skills as well. Our next object will be a plastic cup. Do you think it will sink or float? Let's find out. And we also let the children know if it goes to the bottom, that means sink. If it stays on top of the water, float. So, did the cup sink or float? Float. We have a marble. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Let's find out. It went straight to the bottom. That would be sink. And we have a toy. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Let's find out. Float. It is on top of the water. So this is a fun, simple science that you could do. And of course, kids always love to play in water. And again, have your sponge out so you can clean up any mess. Thanks for joining in today.